Imagine having a dedicated team of personal assistants, each an expert in a field of your choice, ready to help you 24/7. A fitness coach, a marketing genius, a meal planner, a creative helper, all working for you. Welcome to Soulbotix. We've created a unique application for Windows that lets you build and program your own team of 4 AI avatars. Let's get you set up. First, head over to our website and download the free Soulbotix application. Once it's downloaded, unzip the folder to your hard drive and double-click the soulbotix.exe file to launch the application. When you first launch the app and agree to the terms, you'll land on the settings screen. This is where you'll connect Soulbotix to 2 powerful services, Open Router for the AI brains and 11 Labs for the voices. Let's start with the brains. Click the Get Open Router account button to sign up. On Open Router, you'll need to add some credits to your account and then generate a new API key. We highly recommend setting a spending limit on your key. This is a great way to manage your costs. Copy the key and paste it back into the Soulbotix application. Next up, let's give your avatars a voice. To do this, we'll use 11 Labs. Please consider using the Get 11 Labs account button in our app. It's an affiliate link, which means it costs you nothing extra, but we receive a small commission that directly supports the development of Soulbotix. It's a fantastic way to support our work. When signing up, choose a subscription. For most users, the Creator tier is a perfect starting point. If you plan on using your assistants heavily, the Pro subscription might be a better fit. Once subscribed, find the section to create an API key. Select Access to Text-to-Speech. Write Access to 11 Labs agents and read Access to Voices. Create the key, copy it, and paste it into the application. With both keys entered, click Save Keys. Now for the fun part, customizing your team. Select the first avatar you'd like to configure. First, the voice. In your 11 Labs account, browse the voice library to find the perfect voice for your avatar. A clear, studio-quality voice without echo works best. When you find one you like, copy its voice ID and paste it into the voice ID field for your avatar in Soulbotix. Now, let's choose a brain. This is the Large Language Model, or LLM, from Open Router. On their Models page, you'll find hundreds of options. For the best experience, look for a model designed for conversational chat. Smaller, faster models will give you quicker responses. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. You can always come back and change it later. Copy the model's identifier. Paste the model identifier into the AI model field. Next is the prompt. This is where you define your avatar's personality and purpose. The prompt is your instruction manual. You could create a fitness coach, a marketing guru, or a history expert. The possibilities are endless. Pro tip: it's a good idea to add a reply limit, like keep answers under 200 words. This keeps the conversation snappy and helps you manage your API credits. Remember, you are responsible for the costs on your service accounts. The default AI settings are a great starting point, but feel free to adjust the sliders to fine-tune its personality. When you're happy, click Save Avatar Settings, and then exit to go back to the main screen. And that's it. Your custom avatar is ready. Simply select it, click Speak, and start your first conversation. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Please remember that Soulbotix is in its early stages, and your feedback is incredibly valuable as we work to build an even better experience. We can't wait to see the amazing assistant teams you create. Have fun!